The first item is authorizing the purchase director to approve the placement of purchase order with Power Screening LLC for the purchase of the horizontal grinder in the amount of $776,000. And we do have Jennifer Richard, our Solid Waste and Sustainability Division Director, here to present today. Good morning.
Good morning, Jennifer Richardson, Solid Waste and Sustainability Division Director. Thank you for having me this morning.
Thank you.
Today I am here because I would like to purchase a grinder for our compost operation.
We are replacing an aging grinder with a new grinder. A grinder is a piece of equipment that we use up at our compost facility. You know, all week long, we've got folks coming in, bringing us yard waste, and we need to turn it into smaller pieces that we can then put through our grinding process. So the grinder is an essential piece of equipment to successful composting operation. We process about 45,000 cubic yards of yard waste. It's a big, heavy-duty piece of equipment in order to be able to process that much material. The grinder that we currently have is pushing 13 years old. It's reaching its end of its useful life, and so it's time to replace that equipment. The piece of equipment that we're buying, we're really excited because it has some technology, vibration technology, so that it can identify if there is some metal in there, right? Metal wreaks havoc on a grinder. And, you know, people are out there doing yard work. They throw their shovel in and then they start collecting all of their yard waste. And so you'd be really surprised at how many garden tools go into the compost pile by accident. This technology will sense the vibration difference because of that piece of metal and will shut the grinder down, which is huge, and will save us a substantial amount of money in downtime and maintenance on having to repair the grinder if a sledgehammer goes through it. The other thing that's really exciting about the particular grinder that we decided to purchase is that it's on tracks. And so we don't need another piece of equipment to pull it around. We can just use the little remote control and we can track it to wherever we need to move it so that we can do maintenance or we can grind for the day.
Do we have anyone from the public to comment on this item? Okay, seeing none, I'll entertain a motion.
So moved.
All right. I'll entertain a motion to approve the item as entered to the record.
So moved.
Second. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries.
Thank you.